Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Raut. I am a faculty at First White. First White is an online e-learning portal for machine learning. For this, let's understand what is data science first. So data science is a booming field in this current era. Data science will help businesses to perform the data-driven solutions and it will give us valuable feedbacks, valuable business solutions and all. So data science is widely used in different domains like finance, marketing, healthcare, education and all. Now we will understand what machine learning exactly is. So come join us, we will explore the knowledge of machine learning. Machine learning nowadays is considered as a stepping stone towards achieving your goals. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence which imparts human-like behaviors which can sense the reasons, adapt and act. In this, we just teach the machines how to sense the reason, how to act and how to give the feedback upon it, how to give the data-driven solutions for the business. So let's come and join us to explore the knowledge of this. Machine learning is divided into the parts like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we give the data to machine. It's a labeled data. In unsupervised learning, we give unlabeled data, and in reinforcement learning, it works upon the feedback. So let's come and we will explore the knowledge of this beautiful field called machine learning.